Hey guys, Bruce from Cell Pro. Today we're doing the screen replacement on an iPhone 14. Here we go. Just gonna pop these pentalopes off. I've already used some isopropyl around the screen in order to easily take it off, so we're not looking at anything too difficult here. Here's the clamp. Just gonna put her in the clamp. Screw her on. Suction it up. And you can see her starting to lift there already. This must have been taken off before. All right, so there we go. We're gonna slip that guy underneath as a bit of a space saver. Open her up like so. Take her out, put her down. Put her back over here. All right, and there we go. That guy's coming off pretty easily. Use a little bit more isopropyl around here just to facilitate the removal here. As you can see, the little wires here, so you want to avoid that, guys. So we're going to be opening it up this way. Look at that. That isopropyl just does its job so nicely. There we go. All right, so that's that. That guy's off. So we're gonna unscrew one. Unscrew one. Unscrew two. And we're gonna take those, we're gonna put them in a nice orderly fashion. That guy popped off. That was a little bit too convenient, wasn't it? All right, so we're gonna just test the new screen because it did seem like a touch issue. However, it seemed a little bit fishy, but not overly. But I suspect the new screen will remedy the issue. So before we permanently install it, we're gonna temporarily install it. All right, I'm also heating up the other screen at the same time. So I'm taking that over to my heat mat. Ooh, the touch doesn't want to work. So it might actually be a problem with the phone. That's weird. I'm gonna have to turn this on and off. I'm gonna stop the video here just because of this. All right, so I'm turning it on and off again to see if that was the issue. And that did resolve it. However, the original screen, I did try turning on and off before and it didn't resolve the issue. I am curious. I'm gonna actually slip the original back on just to make sure. So here's the original again. It's not working, however, I am going to turn it on and off again. And the original's not working as it wasn't working in the past. So anyways, I'm gonna have to carry on with the screen replacement. So we are gonna remove these screws here with the tri-wing. And then we're gonna heat this up actually for about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, well, just to get at it, I heated it up enough that, as you can see, we damaged the screen, but that's fine. This is the one that's just gonna get tossed anyways. It has that damaged, it has the damaged digitizer anyways, so it doesn't matter. We wanna heat this up enough to be able to get this guy off here. There we go. That's off like so. Then we gotta get these guys off too. Perfect. Excellent, there we go. All right, now for this guy, I'm just gonna dash on some isopropyl. Just get a little bit of room for isopropyl, and that's all you need, and then it starts doing its own work. You know what, I can even actually go like that, and that's all you need for the isopropyl for this particular portion of the repair. It just starts working at the adhesive. So just dip in the end of that guy in there, and then just going like that. All right, there we go. Cool. That's that. Still gotta keep working at her. Almost got her. And there we have it. All right, so that guy's off of there. We're gonna get the new screen. We're gonna put this guy in there, on there. There we go. Make sure it's sitting nice and flush. Everything's sitting where they need to sit. these screws. Screw in there. Alright, that guy on there. This guy in here. Yes. No, I'm going to use this. All right, that's looking good. Now we got to put these two guys back on here. Chasing this thing around, hey? There we go. There we go. That's on. Goes the other way. Kind of hooks, and then you got to bring her down like that. All right, and then you pop this guy on. You push it like so. There's also some original adhesive that was on there pretty good. So that's gonna be fine. And that's that, guys. Thanks for watching the video. All you do now is screw this in here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Give her a thumbs up if you could. I also got super fans if this video helped you out. And away we go. All right, thanks, guys.